Yeah, how's it going, guys? Jamie here from Airborne Solutions. Today we just wanted to make a little video here. We're just going to replace the tubes inside the pump housings here. Just one of those jobs that's really good to preempt before it getting out of control on a spray day. The last thing you want is one of these tubes to break on the inside on a spray day. It can take quite a wee while to replace. So we do it probably every 6 months just to check that the tubes don't have any cracking. And if they do, we just replace them. So yeah, we'll go through that today, and what you'll need. I've got a set of gloves because it's quite dirty inside the housing there. Heaps of cloths, and you'll want a 2 and 3 mil Allen key bit. There, I've just got them on impacts, and then I keep a little box for screws. And each pump housing holds 2 tubes, so 4 in total for a complete replacement. And that's all for today. We'll crack into it. Right, so making a start here, you'll want to remove your top 2 screws here for your power connector, and then with your 2 mil there, and then with your 3 mil, remove the 4 screws on each side, and then I'll just take this out of its bracket. Just makes your space a little bit nicer. With your pump off like so, you want to undo this one, and the one in the middle here. All those done now, should be able to take that piece off there. And then you'll see the inside of your pump here. Another thing too is this little black piece here can come out quite easily, so just keep an eye on that. These 2 pipes will just slide out of their slots like so. You'll be able to lift them out, take off this little bracket. Alright, now with your pump open like so, you want to take off that screw there. One thing I really need to note here is these 2 little floating bits in the bottom here actually don't sit like this. This is wrong. The way that they sit is above one another when they're trying to clamp down the hose. I'll circle it out here just to make sure that you understand. But yeah, like it was before, that's the incorrect way of doing it. In your pumps too, there's going to be heaps of nasty old lubricant in there, all this black stuff, so definitely be wearing gloves for this. And just try and get that out as much as you can with a bit of a rag. Just give it a good scrub. And with your new pump, with your new tubes here, you'll see that they give you some lubricant. Just make sure once you've cleaned it out to go ahead and just lubricate it up. Alright, with everything good to go, we can slide our pipe back into the housing there. Just take note. This is why I like to do one at a time. Just take the note, and pretty much we're doing the opposite of what this side is, so it's definitely want to be looking like that. So you just pretty much work it out from there. Just make sure as well before you start soldering, you've got a good bit of lubricant on the pipes too. It just helps slide them in a lot easier.